Up top, we made a shallow new high. Okay, market pushed up. Citibank is flipping pretty well between. There's 3 million to buy and 6.5 million paired off on Citibank. So there's a buying balance of 3 million shares with 6,005 million shares paired off against that. So basically, what that means is there's 9,500,000 shares to buy on Citibank with 6.5 million shares to sell, which gives a buying balance of 3 million shares. Okay, so far, just while we've been watching here, he's done about 200,000 shares. Just trading Citibank. The last hour of the day is professional hour. The first hour of the day is amateur hour. So you just stack the offer. The market's making another push. This is probably just a quick pullback before another impulse high. It's probably going to come up and kiss 416. To sell or not to sell, that's the question. Definitely always manage the position. Keep going, Adam. Keep putting out orders. Keep your direction. Now, eventually, you're going to be right. That's a bad time to switch direction, dude. All right. I'm just giving guidance to some of the traders that are here in the office. You should be posting off orders all the time they should be only about a penny apart. It's short 14.18, short 14.19, short 14.17. When it gets there, then you cover at 14.16, cover at 14.15, cover at 14.14. You're probably going to make one more impulse. If markets don't top, they double top. Markets don't bottom, they double bottom. It's probably going to make a quick rally and then another quick drop if it does have a blow off top. Yep, BAC made a shallow new high on the day. Meaning it came up above the prior high, but it's coming into the declining 10 and 20 moving average on the daily. This is the area where it would be like to go short on a bear flag if there was to be a bear flag on the daily. We only have 8 minutes left. Earnings release on July 26th after the close. We have ACL, FLR, RRC, PCL, LM, SLG, MAS, and WRB. Widely thought. All right. So the orders out, Adam. Orders. Probably make one impulse up. Okay, NQES pushing to the high of the day. BAC not pushing up with the market because of it hitting daily resistance, but it's got a move back up possible. Citibank pushing up to 15. We might make one more impulse up on Citibank. What we can see here is that the offer is right now. Anthony's playing outside pennies. Look at the price improvement that he's getting on UBS Pass. They're giving him better than midpoint fills on UBS cap. Now UBS does cost a little bit more. Okay, but who cares when you get him? Those better fills more than make up for the added cost. Okay, and if you're not out there with your orders, you're not going to get those improved fills. Okay, look at that. Did you guys just see the flashing? That was just printing money there. Market looks like we have a shooting star on the 5-minute, on the NQ, the ES, and the YM. YM triggered down, ES just triggered down, and the 5-minute NQ just triggered down. ARC is offering the middle, ARCA MPL offering the midpoint. Okay, very big blow off top volume on Citibank. VAC coming off hard. And shockingly, Adam is not among them. I'll fill you in a little bit, okay? Size up, guys, for the last 4 minutes of the day. This is a good time to size up. We're getting very good fills. Okay. Notice the fills flipping. Look, he's getting great price improvement, 13.25, 13.2. He's just doing stock now. Guys, by the way, he's done over 300,000 shares since we started projecting. Okay, market's trying to recover one last rally. Okay, if this rally fails to make a high, then we should make a lower low and sell off into the close. BAC really got whacked when it came into that daily resistance level. And you can see his P&L is up since we started here, about $500, $600. He's directed me 700. But who's counting? Now he's just playing every penny. He's not. Okay, now he's up to 20. There you go, guys. Look at the numbers just clicking. Okay, getting filled. Floor out. Now, by the way, this is when the New York Stock Exchange floor outs really pay to have them. And you can see Edge A being filled at the midpoint. No more. ARC is there in the middle. You got to have all your routes, otherwise you can't get your stock. Okay, you can see every single time he gets filled, it's just adding to his P&L. It's a computer program, an algorithm that's just working in order, and he's just trying to play the other side of it, flipping paper. 30 seconds and counting, guys. And at the end of the day, if you don't cancel your New York Stock Exchange orders, you will get filled on the closing auction. I'm going to be doing a countdown. And we have a bearish engulfing bar on VAC at the end of the day. He's buying them as he's selling them. Guys, just look at the P&L go up as he flips shares going into the end of the day. Okay, he's not going to be able to get out. He's going to have to manage out of these at the closing auction. Okay? Now the market just closed. It's 4 o'clock. Okay, up 5,500, almost $5,600 on the day. He's got 3,400 shares. He might get stuck with some stock here after the close. All right. Good job, Dr. J. I think Dr. J is one of his best days he's had in a while. And Bobby, Dr. J, told me those Daniel kids, man. Dr. J. Daniel kids, the new trainee. Good luck. You got to handle your account when you're done. Yeah. All right, guys. Anybody have any questions with anything that you saw here? Okay. So, I mean, guys, this is not any it's not the prettiest style of trading, but the P&L definitely is worth it. I'm gonna ask them. I'll get the closing quote. All right, guys. Anybody have any questions? If not, I'm going to call it a day. I'm waiting on the closing price. Okay, he basically got out of his last bit of shares, up $5,600, 56.14, 55 on the day. Okay. So guys, I mean, this is once everything is set up on the foreign funds. You'll have all these same routes and the ability to execute. We did have them set up for 2 days, but we had to redirect the mnemonic. Once the mnemonic is set up, it should be set up any day now, tomorrow or the next day. You'll be able to do this on your accounts with Nostrum Trading and Nevis, and that's it. So hope you guys found this helpful, and that's all. No closing price yet. I'm sure they already got it. Yeah, we're waiting on prop reports. We have to get a few other things in order so that we can get everything connected. All right, everybody. Good night. Hey, Garnet, how'd you do today?